I'm up close and personal. This time at the Quick Speed Shop, I'm putting a seat in the Model A Hot Rod Shop truck. Right, bam, check this out. A custom bench seat for the Model A Hot Rod Shop truck. Let's go back in time for a couple of seconds and I'll show you what it is and where it came from. Alright, this is an exciting time. I had my friend Chad make me a seat cover for the pickup truck here. And this seat is the rear seat out of like an 88 Suzuki Samari. And I had just run it with the stock Samurai like gray and orange cloth cover on it. But my buddy Chad went and he made me this awesome vinyl seat cover. Look at this. This thing is awesome. Now he's not an upholsterer or anything. He just did this at a home in his basement and he did an excellent job. This thing is super awesome. This is exactly what I wanted. He made the tuck and roll down here on the seat part, and it's got this 3-panel piece on the back. It's super awesome. It's black vinyl with white stitching, and I couldn't be happier with it. Thanks, Chad. You're awesome. That's a shout out from the Quick Speed Shop. So let's go ahead and we'll put this into the truck. Oh, all right, here we go. Get in there. Just like that. Now, what is going on here? Here's my seat belts. Why are they fighting me? Thing's fighting me here. And it goes about there and there. The seat back should go back farther. Oh, there we go. Oops. Man, this is awesome. Check this out. Fits perfect. I was holding off finishing the roof till I put the seat in here, but it looks like I'm going to be able to get this driving around and stuff before I get the roof done. So I'll just be able to fold it down. I'll cover it up with some cardboard and some fire blankets or something while I'm working on the top so it doesn't get ruined. But I want to get in here and check it out. Mainly because I want to check on my steering wheel height and all that and clearance. This thing looks dynamite. It used to be like gray and orange, or like orange panels here and gray here. This is super awesome, and it matches the black vinyl on the door panels here. So it's totally like a 60s look with this tuck and roll and these wide panels. Chad did an awesome job. He's even got a zipper on the bottom where you can take the outside the cover off, but I'm super happy with the way it came out, and it's exactly how I wanted it for this truck. It looks freaking awesome. So let me sit in it here for the first time. All right, let me get in for the first sit. Oh yeah, that's what I'm talking about. Man, this is awesome. As you can see, it's super tight in here. You can even see my head, sort of. But I've got the steering wheel way up in the windshield. Here's my shifter. Put about 1.5 inch kick over in here because it was too tight to my leg. Now it's right over here where it's perfect reaching room. I got my foot on the clutch here. Got just enough room. I got good gas. I got big boots on, but I'm still able to get my foot on the action here, come around over the brake. If I have to, I can always put a little spacer between the wheel and the column, pull the wheel back just a little bit. But I've got my seat belts here. These are out of like an 80s Dodge van or early 90s Dodge full-size van. I got, why is it stuck? Malfunction, let me get out, fix the seat belt. Who made this truck so tiny? Alright, I fixed it. Now it might seem a little hokey to have shoulder harnesses in a truck like this, but imagine this, if you just had a lap belt and you got in a wreck, watch what's going to happen. Wah! Bang! You're going to smash your face right on all this steel in here, and that's going to be bad. So I'm all about safety first. So I put these full-size Dodge van seat belts in here. They're black to match the interior. They hook on nice. And I got a nice shoulder belt right across where I go, so if I get in a wreck, I probably can't trigger it here, but it'll hold me. In theory, my head won't smash into the steering wheel and all that. It'll just bounce off the back of the cab on the steel back there. But I didn't want to get a face full of solid steel steering wheel and steering shaft, so that's why I put lap belts in this truck. Better safe than sorry, that's what I say. So I can be happier with the way the seat fits. It's super awesome, it fits good. I'm going to go ahead and boulder down, and he even got the flip function. The one button was broken and the thing didn't used to fold down. Now it folds down, or I can get behind the seat where I have a little map pocket. I put some junk back there where things ride, but this is awesome. One more step closer to the Model A Hot Rod Shop truck here. This makes the whole inside of the truck is having this comfy black vinyl seat. Everybody's going to like it. And this is, like I said before, like an 88 Suzuki rear seat out of a Suzuki Samari. It's like one of the small seats you can find, but it fits in this truck perfect. And gives me room to get down behind it, room to stick the seat belts up like this. And it's a good seat for this truck. Just want to do a quick little show and tell here. This is a stock 2829 Model A truck door. And you can see, here's the top of the truck, roof of my truck. This thing is way chopped, and I've actually moved the whole window hole down, because when I built these doors from scratch. I used the reproduction door skin, which only comes up to here. So I made my top of my doors, I bent them over, so the top of my door window holes here, but the stock door has got a window height of about 18 inches, and my window hole is 14.5 inches. And I made a little wing window here to tie everything together, which obviously this original door doesn't have. But you can see the original roof on the original truck would have been probably about the top of the tape measure up above the door, because they weren't very thick. So we'll say like another 2 inches. But the original roof would have been up here. So if I measure from the top of my roof up here, just the top of the door, I'm almost 6, so we add like another 1.5 inches, 7.5-ish. So I've chopped my truck about, we'll say 7.5 inches in the front, and probably about 6 in the back, because I wedge chopped the thing. So you can see how much squatty this cab is from how it was originally. So I thought that was pretty cool. I dragged this door out just so you could take a look about how hammered this thing is and how the whole thing is squatted down. So these trucks were pretty tall originally. Like my Model A tow truck, I can fit in that thing no problem. Plenty of room to my head, I got plenty of foot room. But this thing is super tight here on the inside. My head just about hits the ceiling if I sit straight back, and my knees are up to the top of the door down here. It's super tight. So I took 4 inches out of the bottom of the channel, and like between 7 and 5.5, so we'll say 6. So I lost at least 10 inches, squatted the cab down 10 inches, so that's why this thing's so tight. So there we go, a little show and tell action. Well, I had some delusions of grandeur, getting some more action done in this video. Got the seat out and got the seat in, and then some other things happened, and as you can see, the front end's still all blown apart. I'm still working on the steering arms and brakes, but that's almost coming up to being done here, so I guess I ran out of things to do for now, so this is just a short video, I guess. So that's it. We got the seat in, the interior is complete, ready to go. One more step closer to get the Model A Hot Rod Shop truck on the road. So thanks for watching. Please subscribe. I'm putting out new videos every Wednesday and Saturday. Hit the bell for alerts, tell your friends, and as always, we'll see you right back here at the Quick Speed Shop for more Model A Hot Rod Shop truck action.